In this video, how to fix secure boot being enabled but not working or active on Biostar motherboards. As you can see, secure boot is enabled in the BIOS. But in Windows, the secure boot state is off. To fix this, let's restart the computer and access the BIOS setup. As you can see, the secure boot feature is active only if secure boot is enabled and the system mode is set to user mode. The secure boot is enabled, but the current mode is configured to setup. To do this, let's click Key Management. As you can see, there are no keys installed. Let's click Restore Factory Keys to install them. Click the No button. As you can see, the keys are now installed, and the system mode is configured to user. Now, you can save the changes and restart the computer. As you can see, secure boot has been enabled successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.